Layla Luck by Jo Rooks. This is Layla. Ladybugs are known to be lucky, and Layla thought she was very lucky indeed. She had a lucky charm for every occasion. Some lucky socks, a lucky shamrock, a lucky cup, a lucky spoon, a lucky pencil, a lucky number, and a lucky watering can. When Layla won the race on sports day, she donned her lucky socks. When she got a good grade on her spelling test, she cheered her lucky pencil. And when she grew the tallest flowers, she praised her lucky watering can. One day, something very exciting was happening in the garden. The Great Garden Cake Bake, today at 4 o'clock. William was looking up recipes. Bella was finding ingredients. And Eddie was weighing them out. Layla thought baking looked very complicated. Then she had an idea. "I'll use my lucky charms to bake a cake," said Layla. "The most delicious cake ever." So Layla hurried home. She couldn't wait to get started. Layla went to her kitchen and found her lucky cup to measure out the ingredients. She stirred it all together with her lucky spoon. Then she put it in the oven for 3 hours, Layla's lucky number. But when she took it out, it didn't look delicious at all. Layla felt very sad. How can a lucky ladybug be this unlucky? Then she noticed a delicious smell wafting through the window. Layla followed the smell right to Bella's kitchen. There were melting mud brownies, pollen pop cakes, and even toadstool tarts. "My lucky charms aren't lucky anymore. All I've baked is one big mess," said Layla sadly. "Don't worry, Layla," they said. "It's not your lucky charms that help you succeed. Your achievements come from you. Winning the race on sports day showed that your hard work and training paid off," said Bella. "Getting a good grade on your spelling test proves that trying your best got results," said William. "And your flowers grew so tall because you cared for them and watered them every day," said Eddie. Layla realized that she didn't need her lucky charms after all. And with a little help from her friends, Layla baked the most delicious cake ever.